Hello everyone. The module BI Won Opportunity Count helps user to check the employee progress as per the Won Opportunity Count. To check this, we first go into CRM. Into that, the configuration setting. Here you will find a new field as Opportunity Count. You need to enable this and save this as I already did. Now you can simply go into employees and check as per the employees what are the one opportunity they have as well as the amount. Here you can see the mark demo. He won 3 opportunity and the amount is shown here. To get a more clear idea and a detailed view, you can simply go into CRM and into that there is a menu called reporting. Under that the field is one opportunity. Here, you will see the employee name, one opportunity, and amount. If you want to have a clear idea of individual opportunity name as well as the amount, you can get it from this list view. From this, user can get an idea which employee have won more opportunity and which employee's progress is less. Thank you for watching.